Hello everyone, today for review we have the Panasonic KX-TG210 or 210. Let's see. Yeah, SPR 210 SPR. This is a budget phone. It does not have speakerphone. It's like VTech 6114. But it's a great phone. It was the first phone in my collection, and it's a great phone actually. It doesn't have really, how should I say, doesn't have really a nice grip to it. Like, I don't know what to say about that, but it's a great phone. Actually the look when I put the screen face down, it reminds me to the older versions of Panasonic phone, and that's made me happy sometimes when I was younger. So that's the buzzer, and this doesn't show you the usage time, unfortunately, but it's a great phone still. So yeah, that's the base. It's really simple. It has a find handset button over here. Yeah, the handset doesn't have batteries, so the thing I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna put some other handset's battery in that. Oh yeah, that was gonna fall. So for now, I'm just gonna work with the other handset's battery. Yeah, so this is the phone, and this is the find handset button. It's really loud, really loud. So let's see if all the buttons work. So the off button works, the talk one works with pressure, C works, clear works, recall works, 1, 6 needs pressure. All of them work. Redial, yeah, that's just needs a bit of a force. Actually, the redial number that I showed you right now wasn't actually a number that was important, but okay. This is the pause key, phone book key, menu key, all of them work. So now let's browse the menu. Here we have the ringer setup, volume and the ringtone. Here we have intercom, which doesn't work, but it has a nice beep and it says it isn't working. Yeah. Setup, language, English, Portuguese, Turkish, I don't know what that is, Netherlands, Italian, French, Spanish, yeah. Change pin, privacy mode, recall, flash, dial mode, key tone, register handset. It actually takes the, I think, takes 6 plus frequency. It connects to, doesn't connect to this one. This one is a DECT 6, so it connects to DECT 6 plus phones. Yeah, so I connected them to my other DECT 6 plus Panasonic phones, and it was working, but it had a lot of lag and glitch to it, so it wouldn't work fine. And but it was working. Color list we have here. Actually, that shows you the color ID. Phone book, show list, memory, erase all. Set time, date and time. Today's date, actually don't know, but I think it's 25th of September 2022. The time shall be, let's see the clock. So it's 10:36. It uses the 24-hour format time. Now in time setting we have time adjust. Oh no, I do manual. And it has alarm. So yeah, let's demonstrate the ringers. Yeah, that gets really loud, even the first volume. I really like this ringtone. This was the first ringtone that I had on it, but then I changed my mind. I actually rather the static ringtones, not the melodies. So let's try calling the phone. Unfortunately, I couldn't place it on the charger because it won't show anything, so I just maybe do it like that somehow. and maybe I just zoom into the phone for you. Oh. Yeah, just went right into the base. Is it okay? Yeah, nothing happened, but the camera just banged into it. Alright, let's go and call. Okay, nothing is happening. What? Oh yeah. Why isn't it showing the color ID? Even this one. So, I wish you could hear me, but I think you couldn't. Let me go somewhere else so I could yell. So, another minor point on this phone is that it doesn't have backlit keyboards, keypads, whatever. So now let's dial a place and see how it receives. Actually, the time that I was just speaking into the microphone, I was sticking it to my mouth, but actually the sound quality is great. So let's dial the number. Alright, so that's it for this phone. Thank you for watching, and let me just show you the phone from this angle. Thank you for watching. I wish you guys to have a nice day. Goodbye.